What would really happen if you did 100 push-ups every single day? No gym, no machines, just your body weight and a few minutes of discipline. Most people think push-ups are just a basic exercise, but if you stay consistent for 30 days, your body starts changing in ways you probably didn't expect. In this video, we'll break down exactly what happens to your body week by week, what results are realistic, and the one mistake that stops most people from seeing progress. Stick around until the end, because the last part might completely change how you train. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises ever created. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your back. At the same time, they train your body to move as a single unit, and unlike many exercises, you can do them anywhere: your room, a park, even beside your bed before sleeping. So what actually happens when you commit to 100 push-ups every day? During the first week, your body reacts quickly. Your chest, shoulders, and arms will probably feel sore. That soreness is called muscle adaptation. Your body is repairing tiny muscle fibers and rebuilding them stronger. You may also notice something interesting. Your arms feel pumped for hours after finishing your push-ups. That's increased blood flow delivering oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. Now comes week 2. This is where things start getting easier. Your muscles begin adapting to the daily workload. Push-ups that once felt impossible suddenly feel manageable. Your upper body strength increases and your movements become smoother. You might also notice your posture improving because push-ups strengthen the muscles that keep your shoulders back and chest open. By week 3, something powerful happens. Your endurance improves dramatically. Instead of struggling through sets, your body starts moving more efficiently. Your core becomes stronger, your stability improves, and small everyday tasks start feeling easier. Carrying groceries, opening heavy doors, even holding good posture while sitting. After 30 days, the habit starts feeling natural. Your chest may look slightly more defined, your arms appear firmer, and your shoulders gain better shape. But here's the honest truth most fitness videos won't tell you. Doing 100 push-ups a day will not instantly give you a massive body. Muscle growth requires progressive overload. That means eventually adding more resistance, things like weighted push-ups, resistance bands, or gym exercises. But that doesn't make daily push-ups useless. In fact, they do something incredibly valuable. They build a strong foundation. Your joints become more stable, your muscles learn proper movement patterns, and your body becomes more resilient against injuries. There's also a benefit most people underestimate: mental discipline. When you commit to doing something every single day, no matter how small, you train your brain to follow through. And that discipline slowly spreads to other areas of life: better habits, better focus, better self-control. So, should you start doing 100 push-ups a day? If you're a beginner, start smaller. Try 20 or 30 push-ups a day and slowly increase. If you're already active, challenge yourself with 100 daily push-ups for 30 days. Break them into sets if needed. The real secret is simple: consistency beats intensity every time. If you found this helpful, comment below how many push-ups can you do right now, and subscribe to Muscle Guide for more simple fitness challenges that actually work, because the smallest daily habits can create the biggest transformations.